Today we're going to talk about some high traditional pole work. If you have watched my channel for a long time, you've probably seen this building before. What I usually do on this building is do double pole, usually with ALF, and we'll use a double bin ledger and just do straight pulls. But the reason why I'm making this video is because I have changed the way I do a lot of this high pole work because of one specific tool, and that tool is the new Xero 2.0 handle. This handle is the best handle on the market by far. The possibilities with it are pretty endless, and basically what I'm going to do is just put the flick pad on here, and you can pull. I've pulled up to 30 feet with this, and it closes out perfectly. I think there'll be one section on this building where I will pull that high, but I more wanted to show you it because I think it answers a lot of questions as far as how to do high pole work. And mostly you might ask yourself, okay, why aren't you using water fed pole here? And the reason why is they don't have a water source. I don't use a tank in my van to hold water and then have a pump. I just don't do it. And honestly, I find stuff like this goes a little bit quicker, and it's kind of fun. It's kind of fun to like see what you're capable of. This is the new microfiber Tiger from Polex sleeve. Got that at the convention, so we use that today as well. But we'll just go around and I'll just kind of show you how I do high pulling on this building. This isn't too high right here, but around the side over there it gets pretty high. Okay, so got my Xero Micro carbon fiber pole here. Unfortunately, because it's so sunny, I'll have to re-dip this every time. I have it on the swivel, and basically what I'll do is I'll kind of stand back from it. And this window is really hot. We got the sun right there. So what I might do when it's like this is get the whole window scrubbed, get everything agitated, close off my two sides. There we go. Close off the sides. There we go. So you could also do straight pulls with this, but these windows are like kind of perfect for being pretty long and easy to do this with. Luckily it's just cool enough out here for this to be working easily. One thing you have to watch out doing pole work this high is that you're not skipping everywhere and that you're always closing out really well. So you see though, with the right tools, this can be faster than like water fed pole. You could also just do the straight pulls, but then you would need to detail the top. See right there, sometimes that soap gets trapped on that thing. Say the glass in the middle dries up, you can flick it back. Actually gotta shorten this up a little bit.
So this is kind of the rougher side for this morning. Usually I get here in the afternoon, and this side is in the shade, but that's not a problem. So we'll just, like we've been doing, dip this every time. That's an important part of this, is to really use a lot of water. If I was using minimal water, I'd be kind of screwed here. So I could either do it from this thing, but I'm a little afraid I'm gonna fall back. So I'm gonna extend it further here and just go back in here. So we're probably, this is probably roughly like 20 to, I would say, I don't know how high this would be, somewhere between 20 to 25 feet. So I know, oh boy, see, it's so long that it's even hard to get this thing flipped back. So I know the middle will dry if I do that right now. So we're gonna do the two sides, and then we're gonna mop the middle. And squeegee the middle. And the rigidness of this pole is allowing me to make this work. If I didn't have the rigidity of this pole, this would not work. Oh, just mop our two sides here. Basically what I'm doing is I'm saving as much water in that flick pad as I can. Okay, so that's it as far as tall poling. I really suggest that you get one of these squeegees because it's extremely helpful. Of course, I suggest putting the brass on there, a lot more easy to control. And then right after you get done using it like this, I don't use it in hand with the flick pad. You can just take those clips off, and now you have a by hand squeegee. So it's that simple, that easy, and it does take time to learn this, but I think this combination tool and a good carbon fiber pole make it extremely easy. Sorry, there's trucks in the background. But a good locking tip makes it easy too. The Mr. Long Arm tip is a great one as well. That's that one right there. So if you have any questions, comment below. I'll try to help you out. Have a good day. Bye-bye.